Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to this exciting journey towards transforming your body and mind in just 30 days. Are you ready to feel strong, flexible, and balanced? In this video, we'll explore 12 powerful yoga poses that'll leave you feeling amazing from the inside out. Don't worry if you're new to yoga, we'll move at our own pace. And remember, the most important thing is to listen to your body. All right, let's start with a classic. Downward facing dog. Step your hands shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. As you inhale, lift your hips towards the sky, creating an upside down V shape with your body. Press through your palms and lengthen your spine, feeling that delicious stretch in your hamstrings. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the ground. Just keep those legs strong and engaged. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the energy flow through your body. From downward facing dog, step your right foot forward between your hands and rise into warrior eye. Turn your left foot slightly outwards and extend your arms towards the sky, reaching for something magnificent. Keep your front knee bent over your ankle. Feel your chest expand as you breathe deeply, and imagine yourself as a powerful warrior, ready to take on the world. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the fire within. From Warrior Y, turn your body to the side, extending your arms parallel to the floor, and step into the powerful stance of Warrior 2. Keep your front knee bent and gaze over your front fingertips. Feel the strength in your legs grounding you to the earth, while your arms reach out with purpose and grace. Warrior 2 strengthens your legs, core, and arms, while also improving your stamina and focus. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the power within. From Warrior 2, straighten your front leg and reach your front arm forward, then hinge at your hip, reaching your front hand towards your shin or a block. Feel the stretch through your side body, opening up your chest and expanding your horizons. Triangle pose strengthens your legs, core, and back, while also improving your balance and flexibility. It's a posture that not only sculpts your body, but also encourages you to embrace new possibilities. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the expansion in your body and mind. From triangle pose, gently release back to Warrior 2, then step back to plank pose and lower all the way down onto your belly. Spread your palms on the mat beneath your shoulders and press up, lifting your chest off the floor. Feel the gentle stretch in your chest, shoulders, and spine as you lift your gaze slightly upwards. Cobra pose strengthens your back muscles, improves your posture, and stretches your chest and shoulders. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling your heart center expand with each inhale. From Cobra pose, lower down onto your back and bend your knees, bringing your feet flat on the floor. Press into your feet and lift your hips towards the sky, coming into bridge pose. Feel the stretch in your chest, shoulders, and hips as you lift your heart towards the sky. Bridge pose strengthens your back, glutes, and hamstrings, while also opening up your chest and shoulders. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling your inner strength grow with each inhale. From bridge pose, gently lower your hips back down to the mat and transition to plank pose. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your core and keeping your arms strong. Plank pose strengthens your core, arms, and shoulders, while also improving your posture and stability. It's a posture that not only sculpts your body, but also cultivates mental fortitude. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply and feeling the power in your center. From plank pose, step your right foot forward between your hands and rise up to stand, then step your left foot to meet your right. Bend your knees and sink your hips down as if you're sitting in a chair. This is chair pose. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes as you sink deeper into the pose. Chair pose strengthens your legs, core, and glutes while also improving your stamina and focus. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the heat build with each inhale. From chair pose, straighten your legs and fold forward, bringing your forehead to the mat. Widen your knees and bring your big toes to touch. This is child's pose, a posture of surrender and deep relaxation. Feel the gentle stretch in your back, hips, and shoulders as you surrender to gravity. Child's pose gently stretches your back, hips, and shoulders, while also calming the nervous system and promoting relaxation. Stay here for as long as you need, breathing deeply and allowing yourself to fully let go. From child's pose, come onto all fours and bring your right knee behind your right wrist, angling your right shin across your mat. Extend your left leg back behind you and square your hips towards the front of your mat. Feel the stretch in your hips, glutes, and lower back. Pigeon pose increases flexibility in your hips, glutes, and lower back while also promoting emotional release and reducing stress. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths on each side, allowing yourself to sink deeper into the stretch with each exhale. From pigeon pose, gently come out of the pose and sit down on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Then exhale and fold forward over your legs, reaching for your toes or shins. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, spine, and shoulders. Seated forward. Bend calms the nervous system, stretches your hamstrings, spine, and shoulders, and improves digestion. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, allowing yourself to surrender to the present moment. From seated forward bend, come to all fours on your mat. Inhale, drop your belly, and gaze up towards the sky. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling and tuck your chin towards your chest. This is cat pose. This gentle movement warms up your spine, increases flexibility, and calms the mind, setting the stage for a beautiful yoga practice. Continue flowing through cat-cow for 5 to 10 rounds, linking your breath to your movement and finding your own rhythm. Congratulations, beautiful souls! You've just completed an incredible journey through 12 transformative yoga poses. From the invigorating downward-facing dog to the gentle cat-cow stretch, each pose offers unique benefits, enhancing your strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. We encourage you to incorporate these poses into your daily routine and discover their transformative power. Embrace your journey and let these poses inspire you to cultivate a healthier, more balanced life.